Oh, she took it out. You got it?
Yep. There's one present. Nope, there's no more. No more. Come on, Charlie. Charlie. Open this present.
Go get your package. Hand it to her.
Charlie. Here. Present. She got scared.
You got a set of keys.
Yay, now no more chewing on the table. Ooh. Yeah, you slept forever today. Charlie, look. Something else to tear open. Destructo, baby. Let's go.